Unlock the full potential of your Nikon D5600 by mastering its Bluetooth capabilities for effortless image sharing and remote control. Let's get your Nikon D5600 connected first. Ensure your camera's Bluetooth is turned on. Navigate to the Setup menu on your camera's LCD screen. You'll want to find the Connect to Smart Device option. Within the connection settings, select Bluetooth here. You'll choose to turn Bluetooth on. Once enabled, your camera is discoverable. Now, if you haven't already, download and open the Nikon SnapBridge app on your smartphone or tablet. The app will automatically begin searching for nearby Nikon cameras. Your D5600 should appear in a list of available devices. Within the SnapBridge app, tap on your camera's name to initiate the pairing process. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt on both your camera and smart device. Confirm the pairing on your camera by selecting Yes or OK. Once paired, your devices will automatically connect whenever Bluetooth is enabled on both, thanks to the magic of SnapBridge. Now, the fun begins. You can browse images directly from your D5600's memory card on your phone, and with a single tap, download them in your preferred resolution. Plus, use your smart device as a remote shutter for incredible self-portraits or stable long exposures. This seamless connectivity streamlines your workflow, making sharing and controlling your camera easier than ever before. Enjoy enhanced shooting experiences with your wirelessly connected Nikon D5600.